Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to redeem an Amazon gift card to your bank account in 5 simple steps. So the first step is to log in into your Amazon account on the Amazon website or mobile app. The following step is to go to your account and select gift cards from the menu options. The next step is to locate the gift card balance you want to redeem and click the redeem to bank account button. The fourth step is to enter your bank account information, including the routing and account numbers to link your bank account to your Amazon account. Last but not least, the fifth step is to review the redemption details and confirm the transfer to have your Amazon gift card balance deposited directly into your linked bank account. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.